For the second time in 4 years, Ekiti State House of Assembly's Deputy Speaker Segun Adewumi was impeached on Thursday by the lawmakers for alleged gross misconduct and causing disaffection amongst lawmakers. Adewumi, who represents Ekiti West Constituency 1, was elected on June 6, 2015 into the Assembly before being removed in 2017 by former Governor Ayodele Fayose lawmakers for alleged disloyalty. However, when Governor Kayode Fayemi took over in October 16, 2018, he regained his position following the suspension of the then Speaker Kola Oluwawole, his deputy Shino Animashaun, and 12 other People's Democratic Party members. The leader of government business, Gboyega Aribishogun, moved the motion for the impeachment of the deputy speaker, and it was seconded by Akiniyi Sunday, while the motion for the appointment of the new deputy speaker, Olaposi Omodara, representing Irepodun, Ifelodun Constituency 1, was moved by Olanrewaju Olayoju and seconded by Cecilia Dada.